National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Calhoun County in southwestern Illinois, central St. Charles County, St. Louis County, until 7 p.m. At 6:19 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Weldon Spring, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards including a damaging tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. A tornado has confirmed by train spotters. The following impact are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near St. Peter's, Town and Country and Harvester around 6:25 p.m., St. Charles, Maryland Heights, Lambert St. Louis International Airport and Champ around 6:30 p.m. Hazelwood, St. Anne, Bridgeton, Berkeley, Lambert Field, Calverton Park, Edmondson, and Orchard Farms around 6:40 p.m., Florissant and Ferguson around 6:45 p.m., Blackjack, Spanish Lake, West Alton and Portage around 6:50 p.m., Alton around 7 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm includes Golden Eagle, Deer Plain, Campville, and Brussels. This also includes Babler Memorial State Park, Confluence State Park, and First Missouri State Capitol Historic Site. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 214 and 231.